Parallel parking isn't difficult because the car is hard to control. It's difficult because your brain is trying to judge space from the wrong perspective. Think about it. When you're sitting in the driver's seat, you can't actually see where every corner of your car is. Your brain has to estimate it. And for beginners, those estimates are usually wrong. That's why some drivers stop too far from the curb. Others turn the wheel too early. Some wait too long. And many panic halfway through, making correction after correction until they give up. Here's the surprising part. Most people fail parallel parking before they even start moving, because they focus on the wrong thing. Instead of looking for reference points, they stare at the empty space they're afraid of hitting. Your eyes follow the obstacle, and your brain follows your eyes. The more you worry about the parked car beside you, the more every movement feels risky. Professional drivers don't park differently because they have faster reflexes. They park differently because they trust a simple process. They use fixed reference points. A mirror lines up with a bumper. A window lines up with a door handle. The steering wheel is turned at predictable moments. They're not guessing, they're following a system. That's why their movements look smooth and effortless. Beginners, on the other hand, often rely on instinct. But instinct isn't very helpful when you've never trained your sense of vehicle position. Another mistake is rushing. The moment another car waits behind you, many beginners feel embarrassed. They speed up, skip a correction, turn too sharply. And suddenly, a simple parking maneuver becomes stressful. Remember this: the driver behind you can wait. A scratched bumper lasts much longer. Take your time. Reset if you need to. Even experienced drivers occasionally pull forward and try again. That's not failure, that's good judgment. Parallel parking isn't a test of talent. It's a test of patience, positioning, and repetition. The more you rely on a consistent method instead of guessing, the more your brain begins to understand exactly where your car is. And one day, parallel parking won't feel like solving a puzzle. It'll feel like muscle memory.